Hey guys, I had to get ready really fast. I had that call with the astrologist for 2 hours. So basically when I entered my room I had to run and start the call. Later on I talked with my mom, I took a shower, I got ready. I'm seeing other crew downstairs right now. We're gonna go to the mall. Like I told you, there's nothing around the hotel and not much to do. They already been to Walmart, but because I had that call I couldn't come with them, so I'm gonna join them right now. Okay, so that's the hotel we stay in. It's a pretty big one, but in a not that good area because we need to walk everywhere. But anyway, when you're in the US you need to have a car anyway to get somewhere. But this is my crew and we're going to the mall right now. The humidity is really high. Yeah, look how hot it is. She's hot for sure. Okay, so in the US, whenever you cross the road, you have the number, ticking numbers, so you know for how long you can walk through the crosswalk. I'm good.
Welcome to US, the best cabin crew.
Exactly. There were only 4 of us because it was a cargo flight, but look how close it is. I can see already Macy's there. Mall. Pretty huge one. So right now we are trying different kind of teas. Watermelon cooler, but it tasted like really watery. Mango, yeah, smells like candy, but not the best.
Very good.
It's good?
No, you didn't even try. So this one is more like a tea. And all of them are warm. Okay. Yeah? We see? You got it. Yeah. And that's the best one. You wanna try? I mean, like, you can actually feel the taste, right?
Yeah.
Right?
It's nice.
And it's not that sweet. So we came to that, but actually I thought it's gonna be a matcha store. Okay, so that was the place. We only tried all of the stuff. We didn't buy anything. Look, they have llama here. Maybe I need it. The astrologist said that I need more meditation in my life and I need to more focus on my mental health.
To practice meditation, don't
Yeah.
forget this one.
Do you think I will get copyrights for the music? These are pretty. Whenever you keep those cards in your hand, you will be surrounded by the positive energy or something. I don't know anything about the stone, but it looks pretty cool. My parents had one of these, similar to this one, but bigger. It is there. You see?
In your face.
It's flared.
Why it's not in my face?
You're too... It is right now. It is right now.
Yeah. Oh
see, you're
God.
not that shiny.
I look pretty.
Okay. Sale area. You're in the wrong section, like, sorry. We're looking for a dress. I feel like it's a second hand, like only one piece for everything, you know? Oh, this one, no, it's not cute. People who aren't vaccinated, they don't need to wear the masks, right?
Yes.
Inside of the mall, or inside,
2 doses.
like, anywhere.
4,000.
You like it? 3,500. There you go. 4,000. Why? It's the same shoe.
If you can see in the middle, look, like this is number 5226, like 5,000.
From 12,000.
Exactly.
Wow.
So you're getting we are hiring.
I found this purse. We don't know the price, but it looks pretty. And I found these. These we know the price. It's not on sale, but I like them. This is the food court. Look how many different places restaurants they do have here. John?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. I took the coconut bubble tea, so we're gonna do the taste check. Oh my god. It's so sweet.
So sweet.
I saw that they put, after I purchased it, I saw that they put cane sugar inside. It's with tapioca. But it's super good. Anybody want to try?
Healthy. So we kind of swap. Take one. Cheers.
No, yeah, it's empty. This one's empty. But it's good. And that's it. Thanks. How's your food?
It's good.
It's good.
Amazing.
What did you have actually? Chipotle.
Not my favorite, but no, the food today was nice. I tried something different.
Yeah.
And
Coke diet? Because you're on a diet?
for my belly, for my baby.
The end of our journey. No, I mean the camera boy is coming with me.
It was Habibi before, now it's camera.
It's the camera boy. Habibi was only on Instagram. That's Macy's only.
50%.
Yeah, 50
Habibi. I said Habibti before.
No, Habibti,
I
no.
said
OMG,
exactly.
no,
I said wrong. Habibti's for the girl.
And then he decided to join me.
Doom, 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 doom.
You.
That's our hotel.
That was the hotel, and this is the way we're going to
This
Walmart.
is Mustafa.
This is Mustafa, and the Walmart. It's just fun.
And this guy right here is following me the whole day. Like, call 911. I wanted to show you something, guys. This is like about birthday section, whatever. Here have the birthday cards. Right here as well. 2 aisles. And here as well. So it's all about decorations, birthday party theme. I don't know, but there's a lot of it. And you have a lot of clothes in Walmart as well. 32 points. Basically, you have everything. Even TV. Even Mustafa from Dubai you have here. This is giant. No way. Almost 2 kgs. Look at that. How many peanut butter they do have here? There is a phone! And he wants to take it. Okay, go now. My god. What if it's gonna work?
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's a
Oh
motor.
my god.
Oh baby. Even if I would drop my phone, I would come back to it. I would stop somewhere here. Put it here, but not on the street. Wow, good job. Hero of the day. We made it.
Extremely happy.
Coming with me. I'm always super tired. I hope you won't be late for tomorrow's pickup. See you. Take a good rest. Bye. Hi guys, I just came back to the hotel. I'm exhausted. I didn't eat anything the whole day. Yeah, I thought I'm gonna get a Subway on the way back, but Mustafa said that no, you're gonna order room service, and then we came to the hotel and they said no, we don't have any room service. So either Uber Eats or nothing, for real, like nothing. There's nothing else. But I'll show you what did I buy. So I took the pills, the tablets, apple cider vinegar, and then calcium, magnesium, and zinc. This water, 0 calories water. I don't know, but I drink a lot of these. Wax. It has a really nice scent, so yeah, I took this one. Oatmeals, only one pack has only 110 calories, and it's always good to carry it with you whenever you go on a layover, like which will be your saver for real. And I grabbed this one only when I was at the counter. I think I'm gonna eat this one right now with this. As you can see, I'm super exhausted. It's really like 7 p.m. and I still didn't eat anything, and I'm like after 15 hours flight. I'm sorry if I'm complaining a lot, like for real, I'm complaining right now. But yeah, I'm super satisfied actually with the morning call that I have with the astrologist. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot what I need to work on still and focus on right now. I will try to order some food and rest a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna record anything because, to be honest, I just wanna take some rest before tomorrow's flight, which is gonna be at 8 a.m. I mean, pick up is 8 a.m. I mean, wake up call is 8 a.m. and then pick up is 9 a.m. So